You know that feeling, right? If you're into AI, you're constantly trying to keep up. You find a cool new tool, and just a week later, it feels like it's already old news. You're saving prompts, chasing the next big thing, and you always feel like you're one step behind. But what if I told you that collecting prompts is the wrong game entirely? What if instead of chasing shortcuts, you could build the very machine that creates the shortcuts for you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do.
That's right. The big idea here is simple, but it's a total game changer. Stop hoarding individual prompts like there's some kind of magic spell. Honestly, that's a reactive strategy. And in the world of AI, that just guarantees you'll always be playing catch-up. Instead, we're going to build a proactive system, an engine that adapts with the technology, not against it.
So you really have two paths you can take. On one side, you have the shortcut. And let's be real, it's that exhausting hamster wheel of finding new prompts and trying to learn new tools every single day. And on the other side, you have the system. This is about stepping off that wheel to build your own custom AI machine, a workflow that finds the right tools and generates the perfect prompts for you.
So here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about the real problem with just collecting prompts. Then we'll get our hands dirty and actually construct 3 different AI builds: a knowledge expert, a creative writer, and a prompt engineer. And finally, we'll zoom out and see how this approach changes everything, turning you into a system builder.
Okay, let's kick things off with a fundamental issue here. The whole chase for the perfect prompt? It's a trap. AI tools evolve so fast that a prompt that works wonders today might be totally useless tomorrow. You end up spending all your energy just trying to keep up with the tools instead of building a solid process that can adapt to any tool that comes along. So, the secret weapon that makes this whole system work is a free tool from Google called NotebookLM. Its superpower is something called grounding. See, unlike other AIs that just pull information from the entire messy internet, NotebookLM builds a custom AI that works only with the documents and websites you give it. And that means we get total accuracy and control.
All right, let's get to our first build, the knowledge expert. You know how most AI tools have that huge flaw where they just kind of make stuff up? They hallucinate to fill in the gaps? Well, we're going to build an assistant that gives us rock-solid, accurate answers based on data we trust. No more guesswork.
And you won't believe how simple this is. It's literally just 2 steps. First, we give the AI a brain by feeding it our trusted sources. And then we give it a job by assigning it a professional role. That's it.
So for this build, we're feeding it a mix of daily AI news, creator strategies, a massive tool directory, and the latest market trends. This isn't just a database. What we've built is a real-time pulse of the entire AI industry.
Now this right here, this is the secret sauce. Instead of just letting it summarize things, we give it a job title. We tell it, you are a research lead in a creative agency. And that one little instruction completely transforms its behavior from a passive summary machine into an active professional analyst.
And check this out. When we ask it for a tool recommendation for a zero-budget video, look at what it gives us. It doesn't just list tools. It gives a reason why. And, this is the most important part, it cites its sources. It's not guessing anymore. It's reasoning directly from the knowledge base we gave it. This is clean, reliable, and super useful.
Okay, on to our second build, the creative writer. This one tackles a common problem. Most people just throw a topic at a generic AI and get a script back that feels, well, flat. It's boring, it's unnatural. We're going to fix that by creating a writer that actually understands a specific, proven, viral style.
The process is exactly the same, but our ingredients are different this time. Instead of news sites, our sources are now transcripts from videos that have already gone viral in a specific niche. We're literally teaching it what success sounds like. Then we give it the role of an expert scriptwriter who knows that style inside and out.
And here's the prompt that brings it to life. See, we're not just telling it to write a script, we're instructing it to become a professional scriptwriter who has deeply studied these successful examples. It's now operating with a totally different mindset, one of a creative pro who knows what it takes to be engaging.
And just listen to the hook it came up with. If you'd rather fight a bear than attend a crowded concert, congratulations. Your brain just saved you from a psychological nightmare. I mean, come on. The language is sharp, the rhythm is perfect for this kind of content, and it has a unique voice. And we got this without any complex coding or fine-tuning. We just gave it the right role models.
All right, now for our final and maybe most advanced build, the prompt engineer. This is where so many people get stuck.
You've got this amazing idea for an image or a video, but you have no idea how to translate it into that technical language that AI models actually understand. Well, we're going to automate that whole process. You probably know the drill by now. Our sources this time are the official technical manuals for our visual AI tools. You know, all those boring PDFs that nobody ever wants to read. We just upload them, and then we tell our AI that its new job is Senior Prompt Engineer. It does the homework so we don't have to.
So for this example, we've uploaded a prompt guide for an image tool and the technical manual for a video tool. Just like that, our system now knows all the rules, the parameters, the commands, everything it needs to be an expert on these specific platforms. But here's the most critical part of the instruction. We don't just ask it to write the prompt. We command it to explain why the prompt works and to base its explanation only on the documentation we gave it. This turns it from a simple text generator into a teacher that deeply understands the tool's mechanics.
And just look at the transformation here. The user has a simple, creative idea, a cinematic close-up of a robot hand. Our AI prompt engineer takes that simple idea and translates it into a technically perfect prompt, specifying things like the 85mm focal length, the f1.8 aperture, and even the softbox key light. It's applying all the rules that we never had to memorize. It's incredible.
So what we've done here is way bigger than just getting better AI outputs. This is a fundamental shift in how we should think about and interact with AI. We're moving away from being passive users who just ask questions to being active architects who build our own custom intelligent systems. This right here is the whole takeaway. You're no longer just a prompt user, totally dependent on what other people are doing. You are a system builder. You are creating personalized experts, writers, and engineers that work exactly the way you need them to.
This is the new workflow. You're not just searching for answers anymore. You're building the expert who has the answers. By combining your trusted sources with a clear professional role, you can literally design a custom AI for any task you can imagine. So the only question left is, what expert will you build first?